Globally connected process chains now dominate industrial production. Companies are constantly being driven by ever-increasing product quality requirements while simultaneously seeking to decrease manufacturing costs. The efficient collection and analysis of comprehensive and high-quality data, then sharing that information quickly with others, has become a crucial success factor for many manufacturing companies. The tried and tested product ZEISS PiWeb already offers a full-service solution when it comes to visualizing, evaluating, and analyzing measurement data. The ZEISS PiWeb Cloud is a new digital solution that combines straightforward, cost-effective, and secure data handling for metrologists as well as quality assurance and production managers. Small manufacturing companies and major corporations alike benefit from low IT costs, as the cloud-based storage capacity can be quickly scaled. If you wish to securely store data from multiple measurement devices, even if they happen to be at different locations, you can save them centrally in one place and analyze them remotely. You can also configure access rights to reflect your requirements. If, for example, you identify a need to connect with customers or suppliers, the ZEISS PiWeb Cloud enables seamless and secure sharing of your measurement data. So there is nothing stopping you from collaborating efficiently with your partners.